do you know how old that truck is? It's about as old as your daddy. There used to be little men that go in there. Can you make it go beep beep? You gotta push it harder than that. It's old. You want me to do it again? You want me to do it again? Aww. Beep beep. Crash.